Mexico's Club Leon will look to make waves in this year's Scotiabank Concacaf Champions League. Upon being the runners-up in the 2021 Liga MX Apertura, Club Leon are set to make their 8th appearance in the SCCL. Club Leon play Toro FC away on March 8 with the return leg set to take place March 16 at the Estadio Leon with a capacity of over 27,000 seats. Keep an eye on forward Victor Davila to lead the line for Los Panzas Verdes, as well as 19-year-old defensive midfielder Fidel Ambriz to stabilize the middle of the pitch. Can Club Leon reach the SCCL final for the first time since 1993?